Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Candy, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get neat cornrows. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that your parts are very clean. I like to use a knitting pin or a rat tail comb to make my parts, and for this style I was parting my hair from back to front, but you can part your hair anyhow you like. Just make sure it is neat. And what you want to do is get all the hair out of your way if you want a neat braid. And then I'll be using these three fingers, my index to pick the hair, and my middle finger and my thumb to grab the hair. So I use my index to pick and my middle finger and thumb to grab. Look at what I'm doing. I will grab the hair with my middle finger and thumb, then I use my index finger to pick hair. I think that's the easiest way I can explain it, and it's just basically me putting one index behind the other, while simultaneously using my thumb and my middle finger to grab the hair. I think the easiest way is to learn on a doll or on someone who is willing to let you practice. Just make sure the pressure you're applying is not too much. And then that's just how I get my cornrows. Index to pick hair, middle finger and thumb to grab hair. And you just keep going backwards, putting one index behind the other, and keep detangling in between, because the more you braid without detangling, it's going to give you a hard time, especially if you have natural hair like me. So just try to detangle as you braid, and try to be gentle as well. If your hair is sensitive, be gentle. And this is basically how I do my braid. I just put one index behind the other while grabbing hair, and this is literally how I do my braid. It might not be the neatest or the prettiest, but it is decent, clean and pretty enough to carry for a few weeks. Certainly perfect for the crochet braids I installed on top. I hope you guys learned something. This is how the back looks, and yeah, in the end I just crocheted my extensions on top, and this was the final look. Thank you so much for watching and for your support. Please ensure to subscribe before you leave, and if you'd like to see how I installed this hairstyle or any other beauty videos, please check out any of my previous videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you and bye.